Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Class 9 Math Simplified. So, we have completed the basic concepts of number system. Before moving ahead, let's try solving some important NCERT based questions to make our concepts more clearer. Okay, so let's start with the video. Just a second. So, our topic for today is important conceptual practice questions, and this is the part 1 of the video. I'll be recording one more video of part 2, which will be having some more tougher questions. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so the first question for you guys is, state whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. Please pause the video and try solving the questions first. Yeah, I think you are done with the question. So yeah, so the first question is, state whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. So the first part, that is 0.375. This is the A part. As we can see here, the decimal expansion is what is terminating, is what it is terminating. We can clearly see that the decimal is ending. As a decimal expansion is terminating over here, so the first part is a rational number, as simple as that. Okay, first is rational, A part is rational. Now we'll move forward and see the B part. 0.666. Now here mostly I think the students get confused. Okay, so here the decimal expansion is non-terminating. That is very clear. The decimal expansion is non-terminating as it is not ending. Okay, the decimal expansion is non-terminating, and but the decimal expansion over here is repeating itself. It is what? It is repeating itself. Okay, decimal expansion is repeating itself, and whenever we get this type of condition where the decimal expansion is non-terminating and repeating, therefore we can say that the number is a rational number. Got it? If a decimal expansion is non-terminating and repeating, therefore the decimal expansion is therefore the number is a rational number. Got it? Similarly, if we go and see of C part, that is root 5. What do you guys think? Is root 5 a rational or an irrational number? So here we can see that the expansion of root 5, the expansion of root 5 is non-terminating, non-repeating. That here we can see it is around 2.256 dot. Like it is not ending at a single point. We know this, that expansion of root 5 is 2.25667 ऐसा कुछ होता है इसका expansion. तो हमें पता नहीं है कि इस ये end कहाँ हो रहा है. So we can say that the expansion is non-terminating as it is non-ending. Okay, expansion is what? It is non-terminating, but it is non-repeating too. It is what? It is not repeating. It is not repeating itself, as the numbers are 2, 5, 6, 7 ऐसा कुछ होता है. ठीक है, numbers are not repeating itself, not repeating itself. Therefore हम लोग बोल सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि अगर ये कंडीशंस हो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉट रिपीटिंग वाली, तो जो नंबर होता है वो होता है इररेशनल. क्या होता है? नंबर इज इररेशनल. गॉट इट? ये इररेशनल होगा. अगर हम तो थर्ड पार्ट ले, दैट इज डी पार्ट, 7/9. कम ऑन, गिव इट अ ट्राई क्वेश्चन. 7/9, व्हाट डू गाइस थिंक? So here 7/9 is a P by Q form number. I think you guys remember this. What is a P by Q form? Here P is 7, Q is 9, a fraction form number. So if a number is in fraction format, therefore the number is a rational number. Got it? अगर कोई भी नंबर रैशनल फॉर्मेट का हो, सॉरी पी बाई क्यू फॉर्मेट का नंबर हो, तो वो होता है आपका रैशनल नंबर. एज सिंपल एज दैट. So yeah, question number 1 is completed. Now we'll move forward to question number 2. So find the decimal expansion of 13 by 40. And I'll add a question. Find the decimal expansion of 13 by 40 and check whether the decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating. Okay. Check whether the decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating. So here we can say that 13 by 40, we can write it as 13 upon 40's factors are 2 cube into 5. Okay, 13 factors are 40 factors are 2 cube into 5, as 2 cube is 8 and 8 times 5 is 40. सो हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो डिनोमिनेटर है, डिनोमिनेटर के जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स है वो सिर्फ 2 और 5 हैं. डिनोमिनेटर के जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स है वो 2 और 5 हैं. ठीक है. और अगर डिनोमिनेटर के प्राइम फैक्टर्स 2 और 5 हो तो उसका जो डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन होगा वो क्या होगा? हमेशा टर्मिनेटिंग. गॉट इट? अगर कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर के प्राइम फैक्टर्स सिर्फ 2 और 5 हो तो जो उसका जो उसका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन होगा वो टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. अगर इसके अलावा कुछ होता 2 और 5 के, तब वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग में आता. ओके, करेक्ट. सो आई कैन शो द डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन टू. सो 40 divided by 13, we'll put a point, we'll get 0 over here. 4 times 3 is 120. Okay, 120, I'll put 0. We'll 0 1, we'll put a 0 again. 4 times 2 is 80. Correct, 80, we'll put this. We'll get 2 over 20 over here, and we'll put again a 0. And then 4 times 5 is 200. So 4 times 5 is 200. हम लोग सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे and we'll get the denominator as 0. देख सकते हैं आप लोग, डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो गया, सॉरी we'll get the remainder as 0. हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 हो गया. हमारा जो क्वेश्चन था वो 0.325. करेक्ट. जो हमारा आंसर आया है डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन का वो आया है 0.325. और हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये जो आंसर आया है ये एंड हो रहा है. द नंबर इज एंडिंग. ओके, 0.325 इज एंडिंग आफ्टर 5. सो देयरफॉर द नंबर इज व्हाट? टर्मिनेटिंग. So this was the decimal expansion clearly shown, and this was the trick that I have told you in the video, ki how to check whether the decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating. If a question is given to you that you just have to check whether decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating, go with the trick. And then if a question is asked to find decimal expansion, then do this. Okay, easy. So yeah, let's move forward. Question number 3. Question number 3 is true or false. Okay, you just need to answer with a true or a false. Try answering first, then see the solution. So every non-terminating decimal is irrational. What do you guys think? Every non-terminating decimal is irrational. I'll answer it with the answer as false. And why is it so? Because the line is the main line of NCERT, that is every non-terminating, very important word, non-repeating. Okay, every non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is irrational. Because a decimal expansion which is non-terminating but repeating can be rational. Okay, but if a decimal expansion is non-terminating and not repeating itself, then the decimal expansion is clearly irrational. Got it? And as here it is not mentioned non-terminating, so the answer will be false. Okay, so yeah, let's move forward with question number 4. Question number 4 is find a rational number between 3 and 4. Try solving it. It is a very easy question. If a single rational number is asked from you to find between two numbers, use always the average method. Okay, use always the average method of solving. Got it? I'll use the average method. 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2, and it is equal to 3.5. So a rational number between 3 and 4. So the answer will be a rational number between 3 and 4 is 3.5. As simple as that. Okay. Now let's move forward. And now here we have to find three rational numbers. Okay. If multiple rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So here multiple rational numbers are asked from you to find between two numbers. So here rather than using the average method, use the fraction method which I have told you. So here find an equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 and an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So what is equivalent fraction? We just need to multiply with a number in the denominator and in the numerator so that it become an equivalent fraction. I'll be multiplying it with 4. As I need to find 3, I'll multiply it with the number greater than 3. Okay, so it will become 4 by 12, and here 2 by 3 I'll again multiply with 4. I can multiply it with a number greater, but I'll be multiplying it 4 only. It will become 8 by 12. So now the question has changed from 1 by 3 to 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 to 4 by 12 and 8 by 12. Got it? 4 by 12 and 8 by 12. So three rational numbers. Rational numbers are what? P by Q format. So three rational numbers between 4 by 12 and 8 by 12 are 5 by 12, 6 by 12 and 7 by 12. बहुत ईजी. ठीक है, समझ गए सब लोग आप लोग. जो थ्री रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 are 5 by 12, 6 by 12 and 7 by 12. Got it? It is very easy. I hope this is clear to you all. अगर कोई भी रैशनल नंबर, अगर दो रैशनल नंबर दिए होते हैं जैसे कि 1/6 एंड 5/7, तो हम लोग को पहले उन दोनों रैशनल नंबर्स को लाइक फ्रैक्शन बनाना पड़ता. लाइक दैट इज लाइक आर फ्रैक्शंस आर दोज विच हैव द सेम डिनोमिनेटर करते. फिर उसके बाद हम लोग उस नंबर को इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शंस को निकालते जिसके बीच में 2, 3 या मल्टीपल रैशनल नंबर्स आ सकते थे. गॉट इट? सो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस टू लाइक. अगर कोई अलग टाइप के होते फ्रैक्शंस, then we need to find the equivalent fraction, and then we can simply answer by just seeing what are the rational numbers between those two numbers. Got it? So yeah, we are done with this question 2. How many rational numbers lie between 2 and 3? This is a very conceptual question. It is very easy. I'll try answering it. So the answer is infinite. This is a line of NCERT 2. There are infinite rational numbers between two numbers. Got it? Infinite. Yeah. So yeah, we are done with all the questions for this video. These are most important conceptual questions which are which I have just discussed with you. So some common examination mistakes. First examination mistake is thinking all non-terminating decimals are irrational. This is a very common mistake that students generally make, that they think that all the if they'll see that the number is non-terminating, they'll just answer the question, the number as एन इरेशनल नंबर. बट हेयर अगर कोई भी नंबर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग हो तो वो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो इरेशनली हो. वो इरेशनल भी हो सकता है, वो रैशनल भी हो सकता है. ओके, गॉट इट. So the first mistake is that they think all non-terminating decimals are irrational. Now the second mistake, that not checking prime factors of denominator. Whenever there is a question to check whether the number is a non-terminating or a non-terminating decimal, please check whether the prime factors have 2 and 5 or in it. If the prime factors has 2 or 5, therefore the number will be a terminating decimal. If they doesn't have that number, or if they have a number except 2 and 5, then the number will be a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Got it? So please check the prime factors of denominator. Wrong method to find numbers between two numbers. Correct. Like अगर मैं तुम्हें बताऊँ, जैसे तुम्हें अगर तुम्हें एक नंबर चाहिए कोई भी दो नंबर के बीच में रैशनल नंबर से. So what generally mistake students make is that they try solving it by fraction method. बट तुम्हें क्यों करना है फ्रैक्शन मेथड से, अगर तुम वो क्वेश्चन सिंपली एवरेज मेथड से कर सकते हो. सो अगर कोई दो नंबर के बीच में तुम्हें नंबर निकालना हो, सो दो गो विद द मेथड ऑफ एवरेज मेथड. अगर तुम्हें मल्टीपल नंबर निकालने हो, देन गो विद द मेथड ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन मेथड. गॉट इट. गॉट इट. So yeah, so final recap, I'll be giving that all terminating decimals are rational, non-terminating decimals are rational, non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are irrational. ठीक है. And infinite rational numbers lie between any two rational numbers. Got it? So if these questions are clear, then half of your chapter 1 is done. That is number system. In the next video we will doing some more important questions, and that video will be video will be having questions that are more difficult to solve. Okay. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.